The Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10's Lindsey Monroe.
Good morning, everyone. Changes in the forecast for today. A round of severe weather rolled through the Wabash Valley during the early morning hours today. That picture has since changed. The Storm Team 10 Fury with its triple scan radar has quieted down just a bit. And here's a look at what rolled through a couple hours ago. We had a line of showers and thunderstorms press just to the south of the Wabash Valley. Since then, that line is well off to our southeast across portions of Kentucky. Once we had the watches in effect, well, they have all been allowed to expire at this point. No local watches are in effect, and anything down to our south has since been allowed to expire as well. So our severe weather threat has definitely come to an end for this morning. Nonetheless, we do have these clouds that are sticking with us, could produce some very light scattered rain showers, at least through the very early morning hours today. But we're also watching the skies beginning to clear out. Take a look at those temperatures, though. Very mild to start the day today. 66 right now in Terre Haute, at 61 in Paris, KZ, Mattoon, 64 degrees. Robinson sitting at 64. It's also 64 in Vincennes. Lagodi sitting at 62 degrees this morning. So as you head out the door, just know we do have a very slight chance of seeing some lingering showers with us through the very early morning hours today. But then as we get into the first part of the day, to the morning, that's where we're going to see the clouds starting to decrease. In fact, we're going to see some sunshine returning to the forecast. We'll take a look at that on Futurecast coming up. Unfortunately, we're settling into an unsettled weather pattern with scattered rain chances back in the 7-day forecast. We'll take a look at that coming up in a couple of minutes. Jumping over to Futurecast now, this is what we have in store. Watch the clock at the top, put us into the future. We'll stop at midday today where you can see the skies already clearing out. Any chances of rain showers are well off to our south, all along a cold front. That will impact our weather, not precipitation-wise, but temperature-wise. Skies will be clear. We'll see the sun coming out this afternoon. Now, high temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Not at 6 o'clock, though. Watch what's going to happen as we go through the day today. As the cold front passes by, we're going to definitely see it come into play as far as our temperatures go. 67 degrees by noon, 69 degrees going to be that afternoon daytime high. And that was usually between 4 and 6 o'clock in the evening, and that's going to be earlier today, the main reasoning that passing cold front. So as we start to drop off, 66 at 4, 64 by 6, those numbers are going to continue to fall. In fact, all the way back into the 30s. Overnight low temperatures near 37 degrees in Terre Haute, 37 in Paris, 37s in Mattoon, KZ, Robinson. Flora just a bit warmer at 39 degrees. Nonetheless, everyone going to feel the chill in the air as we wake up for tomorrow morning. Definitely a change from yesterday where we were sitting in the mid-70s. We'll keep clear skies, though. Watch this go through the evening tonight through the first part of the day on Friday. We'll stop it at 7 a.m. We can see just a few clouds in play at this point. Temperatures on the chilly side with the wind out of the northeast up to 15 miles per hour. Now Friday, there we go, back into the wet weather pattern. We have the clouds increasing as we go through the afternoon hours. Not expecting rain for a good part of the day, just cloudy skies. The rain returns for Friday evening, so temperatures will be a bit cooler, topping out near 60 degrees for our Friday. Then watch what happens here. Futurecast has rain showers back in the forecast for the Saturday evening as we go through the overnight hours into the first part of the day on Saturday. We could even see some scattered thunder showers mixed in with the rain as we start the day on Saturday, and that's really going to set up a wet weather pattern for this weekend and cooler temperatures as well. Starting off in the upper 40s on Saturday, we'll struggle to get out of the 50s for this weekend. 69 degrees for your daytime high today. As I mentioned, that's going to happen earlier in the day today. Those numbers going to fall off as we go through the afternoon. Slight chance for rain for the first part of the day today, then clearing skies this afternoon. 37 degrees that evening temperature tonight, much cooler with partly cloudy skies. Then for tomorrow, a high of 60 degrees. Winds will be out of the east, a bit on the breezy side up to 15 miles per hour. Overall, it's going to be a mostly cloudy day. Then we introduce the chance for some stray showers as we get into the later afternoon, evening hours on Friday. We'll keep that chance of rain with us through the first part of the weekend as well. 61 degrees your high on Saturday with rain chances. Then the good news is we'll try to clear out for Sunday. Although it's going to be a cloudy day, it looks like an overall dry day with 59 degrees for the high. And then Monday, the only day with the sunshine on there because we get right back into a wet pattern as we get into midweek next week.
All right, so pack that umbrella again. Thanks, Lindsey.